Hey guys, so straight to the point, I'll show you how you can fix your Wi-Fi, like when it's not showing over there. So this is what you need to do. First, you have to go there and just search device manager. Yeah, just search device manager, open it. Just wait for it to load. Yeah, so when it comes to device manager, it brings you to this. Just go where it says internet network adapters. Yeah, over there. Yeah, so from over here, you just find where it's giving you a problem, or whichever is giving you a problem here, you see a notification that's saying something like a problem. For me, last time when I did this, this second one was giving me a problem. So you just go there, right click, then say update driver. Then here, let me just click that. When you say update driver, you have to go where it says browse my computer for drivers. Yeah, then when you go there, you just say let me pick which one you want, and then you can pick whichever from these. But for me, I picked the second one, so you can pick the second one. So that's what you do. And then if this doesn't work out, but I'm sure it will, you can go on you can go on and search services. Yeah, then just open that. All right, so what we'll be looking for here, let me just make a pick. What we're looking for here is let's just scroll down, do it as fast as we can. So here we're looking for WLAN Autoconfig. So on this one, you just click it. Yeah, not that one. Yeah, this one, this other one. Click it. Make sure this is automatic. When you select automatic, just place start, apply, then okay. Then you can just cancel that. And then just check it out. So if it doesn't work for you, you can just leave a comment, but I'm sure it will work. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe for more tips. We upload videos almost every day.